done. Thank you guys for your patience. We have a very special guest comedian coming. You all know why y'all are here, you know what I'm saying? But he wanted to give me some love, he gave me some time, and he wants to show some local love to the local talent out here. I'm from Fresno, my name is Chris Cruz. My time is ended. We're gonna bring up your next comic, another local boy. Make sure you make him feel welcome. Give it up for Ethan Whalen, everybody. Ethan Whalen.
Fuck yeah. I like how you spit the whitest shit for me. I appreciate it. You got a tobacco leaf on that fucking... My bad. Good rolling tray, brother. Man, how we doing? How we doing? Cool? Cool? You guys doing good? Yeah, you guys liking the show so far? Can I ask you a question, sir? Be real with me. Be honest. Be honest. What animal do you think you can kill with your bare hands? Don't look at her. What the fuck? I'm asking you, Chief. I got the mic. A cat? Whoa, what the fuck? Get ASPCA on this motherfucker right now. Okay. How would you do it? You just choke a cat, go through the screens and shit like that, or whatever. What'd you say, my man? Okay, on to you now. I know I'm the comedian. I know. I get what I'm doing. I got the mic here. Oh, the reverb. Hold on. I'll go over this side. I love your hair, my man. Holy shit. Come on. What's up with this? Stay in this spot? Do you want me to be in the window? I don't know. I'm looking at you. It's this motherfucker right here. I like your hair, though. Holy shit. What do you do to wash it? You just... What do you use? Okay. So whatever she uses, you use? Girls, isn't it a motherfucking bitch how we use the same shit as you when you have nicer hair if we have longer hair? Isn't that just suck? You know? I love having long hair. I love having long hair. How you like it? How long you been in, my man? Oh shit! Okay. Hair go to your booty hole. Okay. I like it. Got that Egyptian style. Okay. I like that. You know, maybe one of these days we could tie our hair together, you know, maybe butt fuck each other. If it's a good day, you know. Okay. I love having long hair. Ladies, you guys like having long hair? Let me hear it. You guys don't fucking like it that much. Goddamn. Okay, whatever. Me personally, I do like that. I like it, you know. But I've had this thing happen to me recently. I don't really know how I feel about. Got me questioning a lot of stuff. I was taking a shower, right? And I saw sudsy sexy, and I feel this tickle on my butt. I reach around and I pull out what I can only describe as a spaghetti noodle hair. You know, just pulling out, you know, just making some weird noise, just like, oh fuck, oh shit. It feels good, you know, it feels good. They don't say that, but it does, you know. But you know, I like doing that. And then when I get out of the shower, I like lotioning. What lotions here? You got a lot of lotioners? Okay, both of you in the front row, you guys lotion each other. Cool. Okay. You're like, I'll get your back, babe. She's like, I'll get your ass. Oh, you girls are weird with asses for some reason. Like, honestly, you really are. I just got a girlfriend, and she's been like, oh, let me grab your ass. Psych, you have no ass. I'm like, don't be a bully, bitch. What are you doing? It's fucked up. It's mean, you know. But if I'm being honest, my girlfriend does OnlyFans. Yeah. No supporters? Sick, ladies. Cool. You guys really don't support your own species. Okay. But, you know, she does OnlyFans, and I really support it. Like, girl, get your bread, you know? Get your bread. I dig it, you know? I have the inside look on it, though, which makes me laugh. Because she goes, because when they're doing it, they're so happy. They're like, oh, thanks, Big Dick 69. Thank you so much. Ooh, here's your titty pics. You know, and then right as she's done doing that, she's like, that fucking lonely bitch. Like, damn, girl, relax. Thank you. Recently, just trying to get as far away from me as possible. Okay, I got you. Oh, you want me to have the carpet? No. I shall move them. Okay. Can you guys still see me? Okay. She was so fucking sucking my dick right now. Okay. But yeah, we were making out, and she does this. She's like, I hear her phone go off, and it just goes, I'm like, oh shit, what is that? She's like, fuck, I gotta be right back. I gotta go take a shit for this dude. Hey, and that was my reaction. I go, ugh, what the fuck? She goes, hey, relax, I'm getting paid $500. I'm like, Chili's? Yeah, she's my pimp. You know, lotioning's fun. I'll get back to that. Lotioning's cool. I lotion after I take a shower. I do it head to toe, right? You know? And I'm taking a shit. Hold on. I'm sitting there, you know, all greased up, like a warhawk. You know, just sitting there. And you know, and you're you know, have you ever taken a fat shit, boys? Thanks. And your asshole just gets this big, you know? It's like, oh, it hurts. And then right as you pitch it off, it just goes, ow. Enjoy your food. Chili cheese fries ain't gonna be the same now. I was like sitting there, and I feel this tingle on my dick and balls. And I look down, and I can only describe it as a colony of ants. Yeah, I know. Weird. What's your reaction? What's your reaction? Okay. Find the right spot. Continue. But yeah, like me personally, what I did is I got up and I just started like swapping my balls off like this, just all against my thighs and stuff. I got as many as I could off. There was one last soldier. Just held on for dear life. He was on the tip of my dick. And this ant, he looks at me in the eyes, looks my dick in the eye, looks me in the eyes and goes, deuces, bitch, and goes right inside of me. Yeah, I swear to God this happened. This is my life. This motherfucker was inside of me like Ratatouille. And my urethra just like, go fuck a bitch. What I did to get it out of me was I put my dick on the counter like it owed me money and I started beating the shit out of it. Yeah, and then I pissed him out and my dick was like the gate to hell. Just pissing out souls. It's been a nice summer recently, you know. Hold on, I'm almost done. Thank you. It's been a nice summer recently. Thank you. I love your hair, your dress. Cool outfit, sick. Moving on. So it's been a nice summer. I've been waking up having some nice days. Waking up birds outside. And those gerbils, not gerbils, squirrels, my bad. Growing up on those trees, just like, sound like they're sucking dick. I'm bad at this. Okay. But you know, it's a nice morning. It's a nice morning, so you want to take advantage of it. Me personally, I live at home with my parents. I do a lot of stand-up, so I show my friends a lot of like videos on my phone, you know, like people dying or something. And I open up Pornhub because, you know, take advantage. Open it up, and I just go. They have those ads, you know, just like, do you want your dick bigger? It could be as big as a rocket. Or like, my favorite one is like, God damn it, it's like the, aw, are you jerking off alone again? Aw, you big gay bitch. Alright, how's it going, everyone? My name's Ethan.
Ethan Whalen, everybody, keep it going for Ethan Whalen.